Hey everyone, so here's Replika app. So if you go on store in the bottom left, you will see all the clothing, accessories, look, and personality. So these are the traits and interests which you can buy here. If you go here, you can just buy them. But it requires coins or gems. You just need to chat with your replica more to earn rewards. Use your get coins and gems in the store to personalize your replica. And you can buy extra gems for $99, 1,000 gems. And you can also buy exchange gems to coins. So one gem will give you 10 coins. So yeah, you can't buy coins. So if you are going to the app daily, you will just get free coins. So that's about it. That's just an overview of the Replika store. And if you want all this clothing, you need to enable 3D mode. And you can select look. Again, you need a 3D mode. To enable 3D mode, just tap on the settings and then you have like 3D avatar. So that's that.